Thank you for coming back. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you and welcome to my wealth space. This is a space where we try to build our generational wealth as we have identified this industry that we believe is going to take us to the next level. Today, I'm going to be talking about EV as we have started trying to start buying the stocks. I'm going to bring some company in EV that I believe we can do our research on and we can see if it fit our portfolio and see what we all can do about it. We all we can do is to buy it into it anyway. I mean, but we have a lot of EV company that we can choose from. So I'm just giving out some of these company in this video so that we can do our research and we can go for it at the same time. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is Tesla. Tesla seems to be the big red dog watch right now. They are the leading one in the United States and they are doing very well. Tesla, the ticker symbol is TSLA. That is the ticker symbol. So when you get to your account and you do the search, this is how you get to pick up the companies that you are looking for through the ticker symbol. So Tesla is one of them. Another one that I would want us to look into is Rivian. Rivians really specialize in trucks. So we can distribute all our investment into all these companies, DCA into it as much as we want. So we're not going to just put all our egg in one basket. So we have bunch of companies, bunch of EV companies. As a matter of fact, if you look at all these companies like Nissan, like Toyota, like Lexus, all of them have their own EV too. But at this point, the leading one is what I'm bringing out to us now so that we can jump in now because they are the leader. They are the one that has a bigger share. They have encouraging share of the market right now. So Tesla is the leading one. Rivian is another one. Lucid is another one. I'm going to put all that right here for everyone to be able to see it and see the ticker symbol. I want every one of us to go ahead and do our research because there are so many of them. But I'm giving us the one that are leading, is well known, and that is potentially they're gonna do very well. Actually, it's a new industry, so each one that you choose, they has a chance, but the chances are better in with some than the others, and that's how it is. So that's why I'm giving us this. I'm going to list eight different EV companies that I think we should do our research on, and from there we can choose and DCA into it, dollar cost average into it. So three of them, they're going to be Chinese company. They are Chinese EV companies. They are doing really well too. They are not lagging behind. They are doing really well, and as well as some GMC, Ford, and Tesla, and some other. I'm going to lift everything. So I just using this video to bring all those companies out for us to be able to choose from all these companies, and for us to be able to do our own diligent research. This is why I am making this video. So I'm just going to use two, or maybe if time permits us, maybe three of those companies just to show us where what I'm talking about. And from there, we can choose and we can go ahead and start doing it. Now, we have to remember that when it comes to EV, they have the battery section companies that produce the battery for all those EV companies, and they have companies that produce the material for the batteries too, which is lithium. We have lithium company, the miners company, and we have charge point, the charge stations, which actually charge the battery. Those are all subcategory of EV. The battery charging station, the battery company itself, the battery material, which is the lithium to make the battery. So there are so many opportunity in EV right now, and that is why I so much believe in it that no matter what it is, it's come to stay. It's not going anywhere. And if we can jump in early, we will reap the benefit of getting in early and understanding the system. So I'm going to show us the two or three, if time permits, of those EV company, the electric that actually manufacture the car. And maybe in the next video we go into the companies that make the batteries, and maybe some other video we talk about the one that the miners, the company that produce the lithium, the material to actually make the battery. And also the charge station also is another subcategory of EV. So join me as I show you just two of them right now. If you go on Google Finance, actually it's always good. It's a information source. Go to Google Finance. You're gonna be able to do a lot of research on your own. You're gonna be able to see, details and more information about any companies that is market. You'll be able to see more information about them in a Google Finance. So Google Finance is very, very informative. So I'm putting on here Tesla, which is a ticker symbol TSLA. So this is Tesla company right here. So as of today, 264. In the last 5 days, the same thing, but it went down compared to today. And a month ago, it was up. Let's see, a year ago, it was actually January 121 in January. At one point, it went up to 293. So it's been kind of up and down, but it's still kind of more stable than most of the EV, especially now that people are expecting a recession and all that. So for it to be able to kind of hold on this much, I think is a company that is really stay and to be control and in charge. I believe Tesla control about 60% market share of EV right now. And if you pay attention close each week, it seems like you see more. It seems like we're seeing more EV on the road, and maybe right now you see like less than 2% on the road. Imagine if it gets to 25%, 50%. Tesla is now already 260. When at 3%, maybe 3% right now. What about when it gets to 20%? When it goes to 30%? Of vehicles on the road are EV. So there's money to be made. There is very good potential. And that is why I believe in it that we should try all our best to position ourselves to be there, to get there, to put ourselves in position to be part of it. So this is Tesla. This is their stock. In the last 5 years, it has gone up 1,234%. So in the next 5 years, we don't know. I don't have a crystal ball to tell you what it's going to be. But I believe if it went up this 1,234% in 5 years, so there's money to be made. There's opportunity there. So that's why I'm bringing Tesla here for us to see. 2019, Tesla was $21. Now 2020, it jumped up to $49, and now 264. It came down, and now to 264. So let's go back to the next one. It's going to be Rivian. It's Rivian. Like I said, they kind of specialize in truck, and they are doing very well too. They are competing, So it's still $27, and today actually it went up by 7% today in one day. It went up 7%. So last 1 year, it went up. Actually went down. It came down 15% last one. So that's why I'm thinking like now is if you get in now, there's high possibility that when you rise up with it, and that is how stock was. So this is 1 year ago. 5 years ago is down 79%. So if it has gone up to 102 or 127, let me see, what is it, $129 per share, and now it's $27. So if you get in there, that's high possibility when it rise up back to where it falls from, you will be part of it. You rise up with it. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you the potential, the opportunity that I have there is left for us, for you to kind of do your own diligent research and make sure that you are comfortable with it. So this is Rivian. Let's go quickly to which is Lucid. Now, Lucid seems to be a company that is struggling right now. Going to be kind of slow for some time because they still scavenging for money, for capital, for investment. So they are not really doing really well, really great. But it has the potential. We never know, the risk. Do your research and take a look at it and see what can become of it. So Lucid, which is a ticker symbol LCID, when you get to your brokerage account, for you to find out about a company, you have to use their ticker symbol, and the ticker symbol is what you press. That's what you type in search button, and it will bring out the company that you. Alright, so in the last 5 years, is down 27%, and in 1 year, 61%. So let's look at the high of Lucid. Lucid was $51 in 2021, $51, and now it's $7. So let's take time and do your research and see if it's okay for you. And the last one, let me just not to take too much of the time. Let's one of the Chinese EV company, NIO. Okay, is let's just look at the max today. It went up 10%. So, but let's look at the max. $61.95 was the max price for NIO. So now it came down from $61 to $13 right now. So today is $13, but it was once $61.95. So this is what I'm talking about. That we have to do our own research and see, what we are interested in, or what chances that we can take. Now, one of the reasons why NEO comes down is because the geopolitical issue with the Chinese, and difference in the trade contest, between the United States and China. That's why their stock kind of come down this month. So that is another one that is amazing. Also, that is called Xpeng. So Xpeng is another one, which is another Chinese company. Today, oh, wow. Okay, so today it went up 26.69%. So that means if you put $1 in it, you profit 26 cents. $1, you profit 26 cents. So that is what it's saying in 1 day. Now, let's see, the max is $64, and that was in 2020, $64, and now it's $19. So there's great opportunity, there's great chances in EV, and that is why I want us to look into it. I'm going to list it up, right there at the bottom of all this company that I kind of choose. I will list their ticker symbol and their name, and you can have your own and do your own research. Like I've said, I can't tell you what to do, but I encourage you to take charge and take support and take charge of your destiny, of what you plan to do. You have to be the one responsible for yourself. So we have eight of them that I have here: Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Ford, GMC, Neo, Espon, and Lee Auto. Those are all the companies that I think we can take a look at, and we can do our research on it. Now, in the next video, I will go into the companies that actually make batteries, the batteries for the EV, so that we can have all these companies, name and information, and we can do our research on it. If this is your first time of joining us on this video, if this is your first time of joining us on this channel, and also on this platform, I would like you to support this channel. I would like you to join in and share this video. Let us rub mind. Let us work together. Let us join this channel where we build financial freedom for ourselves, for our generation, for us to have financial liberty. Thank you for joining in today. Until I see you in the next video, thank you and have a wonderful day.